Welcome to J&J's test video of 9508 99 Miata, 128,000 miles, popped in the nose, has front end parts on it, runs really good. Aftermarket set of wheels, hard dog roll bar, automatic, just another Miata. Got a blue repaint on it. Motor runs nice. This is the non-BBT. Oil sloshing, not crazy amount of blow by. Got some coils on it. Looks like some eBay ones. Let's take her for a drive. 128, 848, automatic. Runs good. Scoots on down the road. Out of the way. All right, and that's that for 9508 99 Miata NB1 automatic. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.